Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a bridge across the stream so I don't have to jump over it every time because it does get a little annoying. So we're gonna build a bridge today here. So we're just gonna go ahead and build a bridge over, and that'll be the video for today. Like and subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see me build next. Alright, so I found 3 sticks so far. I laid them out. I found 3 that were too short, so I put them right there. Hoping as like when I put the longer sticks on there on top, it'll help stabilize it from under the main structure that people will be walking on. Let's find some more sticks. Alright, I found some good sticks for the base layer, and maybe some of them can be used for the upper layer. Let's go ahead and stick these and put them for the bridge. Let me make sure everybody see that. That's what it looks like now. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot it over a bit. It does get a little bit wider over here, so hopefully that won't play a part in anything in the building process. But there we go. Now let's start putting it together. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna layer them as a bottom layer so that this structure has a bottom portion to it. There's sticks under there. Because when you walk on it, you want to make sure that the top layer doesn't just sink right into the water. You want to make sure it has a little bit of what do you call it? Kind of like a structure underneath it. Kind of like the ground, you know? It holds you up. That's what we're going for here. I think we add a couple more on each side, and then I don't like this one. There we go. We got our base layer for our bridge. So the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put the top layer on, which is the longer sticks, and hopefully it works. I mean, it's probably about this long of a stick. Just, you know, from a big tree. In this ravine, there's a lot of trees that have just fallen down. And so there's a lot of, like, these branches that are good to pile up on it and make a bridge. So that's what we're gonna do. That stick is not good. Some of these sticks are just not good at all, so I want to make sure you got some good. Like this one's really thin, but since we're adding multiple layers, I think we'll be good. Lay those on there. Put this one on there. About here. No. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this really big stick and this okay one and make kind of like a barrier on the outside. guard for, you know, really the boundaries of the bridge. This one, I'm just gonna throw right there. So now I'm gonna go find some more sticks that, hold on, I got one right here. Here we go. Got some more sticks to pile on. So now I'm gonna go find a really big, kind of like a big tree branch to be on the other side of the bridge, and find some more small sticks I can pile up and create the bridge essentially. I will be right back. All right, we have another boundary right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and lay down over here. Boom. We got officially, hold on. Hold on. It's a little tricky putting down this boundary, so little cookies here and there. There we go, we got our second boundary down. Now I've gathered some more sticks, go and plop them down on there. See how much more these cover up. See how much more sticks I need. Now I'm just kind of mashing down the sticks that is our first level. Just kind of leveling it out, making sure all the cracks are filled up how I want them to be. That kind of thing. Looks good. Couple cracks here and there. But yeah, not bad for the little draft bridge. Let's go ahead and find some more sticks, and I'll get right back to you after this. So here we go, folks. We have got for today at least, the last part of the building process. Here, go ahead, put these big logs on top. Hopefully make for a more stable walking system. Otherwise, it's really stable right now. Just a little bit unstable, but otherwise, it's not a bad bridge. For my first time, never made a bridge, or at least a bridge looks like this. Right. Now, one thing I'm gonna go ahead and add right now is just some fillers in between these really big sticks, just in case your foot slips off one. Make sure you don't fall in. So I'm gonna just grab the stick right here, right next to the tail. Here we go, a nice big stick. break that piece off. Just really start filling it in. I mean, we're really focused on just not letting people slip through the cracks here. It's our main objective, really. And there we go. I'm not really sure what I could do to make it a little more stable. It's stable. How do I explain this? But it's very, like, there's a lot of holes. And so you really gotta walk really closely across it. But overall, not a bad bridge. So I'm gonna do a final walkthrough, and I'll do the outro. All right, let's get a close up. So we've got the long sticks along the edge, holding the bottom parts in. And then we've got some big kind of tree branches on top. You can just walk right over, and boom, here we are to the other fort that I just made. Go check out that video if you have not yet. And then when you're done, you're like, gotta go home now. Just walk on over them, and you can go home. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment what you would like to see me do next, because I've got a lot of space here and not a lot of ideas. So let me know. Let me know if you'd like to see me add anything. I was thinking, like, in my fort, maybe adding some more straw, leaves, kind of making it even more protective. And watch for the camping vlog, because I am gonna go camping here one night. It is Christmas Eve when I'm filming this, so, and then it's gonna post tomorrow. So Merry Christmas to everybody who's seeing this. So yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you next time. Peace.